In this video, I'll be showing you how to replace the belts on a D6R Cat Dozer. Okay, to get your belts over your fan, you're gonna have to pull this radiator for the AC, take off these two nuts, and there's two on the bottom of it. The best way to go about it is to pull off this whole panel down here, and this door, and this panel right here. And then once you get this all pulled off, you'll pull off the metal fan guard, just the top left section, and take off this whole bracket and everything that's holding this radiator. Once you get that taken off, you can go ahead and pull your belts and everything off. On this side, the AC compressor right here, you need to loosen this bolt so this arm will swivel, and then you can loosen this nut, run it up to here, and then push the compressor in, and that'll let you get your belt off. Or if you then when you put it back on, you just tighten it up. You pull this out as far as you can, and then tighten this down until you get to your tension, and then snug this one back. Okay, now we're on the right side of the machine, and on this side we have this tensioner pulley right here that has this tension arm adjuster right here. So you're gonna need to loosen that bolt that's holding it so this arm will swivel up and down. And then this one's backwards from the AC compressor, so as you tighten it in, it's gonna make it tighter. So loosen these both off, and then the further you go in, the tighter your belts will be. And then your other belt right here is on the alternator, and I can't get a good picture of it, but it's got the same exact setup as this top one, except it's backwards as this arm, but it's backwards. So all in total, you're gonna have 5 belts. These 3 are running over the fan and go over this tension pulley, and then go down over the crank, and then you just have the one here that goes over the fan and the AC compressor, and then you have one more that goes over the crank and onto your alternator. If you have any questions, you can comment down below, and I'll answer you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.